Alright, track 8 goes by the name of Hello. Hello Krishna.
Let's jump right into it. Track number 8.
Hey. I'm getting that anime vibe. With that थोड़ी katana chop.
swing.
ये जिंदगी खेली खेलों में जीता तुम गानों में खेलों में जीता हाँ गहरों से दूर रहना शहरों में सीखा गहराई में तैरना इन लहरों पे सीखा जब भागने पे आई ये पैरों पे जीता मैरिड द गेम वो मेरी हसीना है लौंडे या रखते हैं कमर पे असला हिप्स डोंट लाई या सारे शकीरा डॉलर साइन लगे लाजवाब बात से बात रखूं मैं ना करता आज हिसाब गाल पे हाथ पड़ेगा तो को ना मार तलाक बाहर तो आ मैं तो हारता नहीं बात को बाहर I'm back on that rap shit again लगे war zone can't capture the men लाई पूरी gang what you stacked up against slow dope लगे जैसे मैं amphetamine हाँ करी attack तने back pedaling ये बोले मेरा skin करे lack melanin but I got a dark side some like it again मुझ में
What's Heineken? Who's Heineken? तुमने देखा है क्या anime में?
नहीं. He mentioned something. They talk about my skin like
I lack melanin.
Because he is Caucasian.
Yeah.
वैसा बोलता है.
कभी कमी यारों lack with a pen इंडस्ट्री में चले धोखेबाजी रोके ना भी होंगे कभी लोग ये राजी रोज निभा रही
कौन कर रहा है भाई धोखेबाजी कृष्णा भाई के साथ?
भाई प्लीज हमें बता दो.
असला हम भी
कोई
रखते हैं
idea नहीं.
पहलवान.
असला हम भी रखते हैं.
ये लोग किरदारी परफॉर्मेंस जारी इनके शो के बाद भी लाइक वो देखे हैं मैंने भी लोग पर माना नहीं हार कटाना की धार पे करता हूँ शार्प में कलम की नोक हेलो हाँ जी नमस्ते कर मुझे कॉल जब मनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं तो लाइन मेरी कॉल पे व्यस्त है हेलो हाँ जी नमस्ते कर मुझे कॉल जब मनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं तो लाइन मेरी कॉल पे
Hajime mashite, hello, hanju namaste. Chisa na shimakaragite, big na kollabotasse. Yo, Krishna-san, nagai tabi o tsukare-san. Came to the baddest bitch in the town. We about to make that whole city bounce. Ego sticking my money. India told me philosophy. Silky like Banarasi. Made a drew to hate Japanese.
So,
I love her. Who is this?
bro, I guess the Japan visits now make sense.
Is
Krishna
she
bhai found someone.
someone from there?
I guess she's an Asian rapper. Have you?
Mention-
तूने वो सुना था? Asian State of Mind.
No, I did not actually.
I guess this is someone from there, like.
इसमें नीचे लिखा है क्या?
Uh,
नहीं. Someone कोई नीचे बता दे.
bro, I think I know her. वो Asian State of Mind में भी शायद.
Avicii. I think this is her.
Avicii rapping in Hindi. I never
Let's just
thought.
search for Avicii. Oh yeah, she's a Japanese hip hop artist. Okay.
Okay.
Damn.
But I love the flow, bro.
हाँ exactly.
And
she's
I wasn't expecting भाई international collab.
She's rapping in Hindi as well, so that is amazing.
New Delhi, they call me Yo Airways. We riding through alleys. He said don't you
हम लोग ने उसी मोमेंट पे पॉज किया था जिस बार के पहले उसका तो नाम बताया है.
worry, I'm the spiciest thing you hear can use, mommy. They cannot walk in my sugar, my shoes are too heavy. Heavy less, so let go, they cannot let it go, let it for where it from anymore. Karemo, ore no toriko, kimi no kokoro, give it all. Too many lies and all in one truth. Funny and I come up, baby, that's the real proof. Hello, hajime mashita.
हेलो हाँ जी नमस्ते कर मुझे कॉल जब मनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं तो लाइन मेरी कॉल पे व्यस्त है
Hello, hajime mashita.
हेलो हाँ जी नमस्ते
Bro, I
कर मुझे
love.
कॉल जब मनी
मजा आ
इन्वॉल्व
रही है when she goes hello
Haji
Haji Namaste.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Haji Namaste. I guess she's saying something else like a Japanese word.
It's a Japanese word.
What does it mean?
I don't have an idea. Really.
Okay.
But it is a Japanese word.
Haji Namaste. Bhai, let me search. I'm
Namaste.
curious.
I think it is something like good afternoon maybe. I don't know.
Hello Haji Namaste.
How are you?
Haji Namaste in
ये तो
Haji
ऐसा
Namaste
है.
in Japanese.
Nice to meet you. हाँ, nice to
Alright.
meet you.
So Haji Namaste. Haji Namaste is nice to meet you.
हाँ. और
Lovely.
हाजी नमस्ते.
Loved it.
और अपना इंडिया का भी आ गया.
बढ़िया.
लाइन मेरी कॉल पे
Hello, hajime mashita.
हेलो हाँ जी नमस्ते
Okay, so she is saying Haji Namaste and he is saying Haji Namaste.
Krishna is representing our Namaste.
And she is representing their Namaste.
बढ़िया.
Hello, hajime mashita.
This was something out of the cards.
हाँ, it's a good song.
But I loved it. मजा
I
आया.
loved it. हाँ, दोनों के verses, especially the girls singing
She
in
had
Hindi.
that flow, bro.
उसका flow was very good. But yeah, this was track 8. Hello, Haji Namaste. So yeah, amazing song.
Yeah.
Another one. Alright, track
Alright.
number 9.
Track 9 goes by the name of Vibrate. I think the speakers are going to vibrate with this one.
Hopefully.
I mean the headphones.
Hopefully.
थोड़ा boom bap vibrate मतलब यही होगा ना थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
speakers will-
Heavy 808s.
Let's see bro कुछ opposite ही ना हो जाए.
So are you saying that Krishna won't get his props till he gets his Beyonce?
No.
African vibe.
Mhm.
Caribbean, sorry, not African. Caribbean.
थोड़ा सा वो है EDM.
House type.
बोलूं मेरा स्टाइल चेक कर
Hey.
करनी है बातें
Oh.
फिर डायरेक्ट कर हिंदी मेरी भाषा है वैसे पैसा मेरा डायलेक्ट पर फ्लाई लगूं मैं ना पायलट पर नंबर है तेरा डोंट डायलेक्ट पर
भाई.
फोन रहता मेरा साइड
This is the first ever time I'm listening Krishna थोड़ा सा love kind of a
Exactly.
romantic song है ना.
Melodic side थोड़ा जा रही है. This has very electronic feels to it. बहुत house kind of music sound कर रही है.
But पहली it's the first time Krishna is doing it.
It is, yeah.
पर gotta keep it low key रखता वाइब्रेट पर बोलूं उसे
Okay.
मेरी वाइब्रेट कर 1 से 10 I know you like it girl brown skin जैसे island girl private jet to an island girl run by it's you and I if it's us then it's do or die double R करे तू arrive दरवाजे मेरे suicide तू ले रही मेरा इम्तिहान क्यों लगे जैसे तेरे बिन हैरान
Krishna has something for a suicide door. A suicide door. Bro 3-4 बार बोल चुका है भाई.
He loves, I think.
He loves the wheels and he wants a Lambo I guess.
Yeah.
मिले हम बेइत्मीनान
इस mix से याद आ ही रही है.
आ रही है?
मतलब I'm assuming इस mix से
हो
याद आ ही
सकता है
रही है.
bro हो सकता है.
फिर जाने की तू जिद में आज क्यों तू भी कभी आके देख मोहल्ले लाके मैं बातें करूं आंखों से क्योंकि झूठ नहीं बोलती है आंखें ये बोलूं मेरा स्टाइल चेक कर करनी है बातें फिर डायरेक्ट कर हिंदी मेरी भाषा है वैसे पैसा मेरा डायलेक्ट पर फ्लाई लगूं मैं ना पायलट पर नंबर है तेरा डोंट डायलेक्ट पर फोन रहता मेरा साइलेंट पर
Is this Raftaar again? He can't go too melodic songs.
No I guess this is भाई कौन बनाता है ऐसे गाने इंडियन हिप हॉप सीन में?
Raftaar ही है.
नहीं भाई.
इस टाइप पे और कौन बनाता है? King?
It's your boy.
बादशाह, right? Okay.
Bro उसकी आवाज अलग सी साउंड
हाँ,
है.
mainstream सा, हाँ.
लो की रखता वाइब्रेट पर
Life or travel on a private heavyweight in the game on the lightweight 2 घंटे में change करे climate तुझे प्यास लगी है let me hydrate you
Hey.
जो करे मैं बेचारे
That
ये
can
तो
have many
बादशाह
reasons.
का फोर्टे है.
हाँ. But वो बार के बहुत reasons हो सकते हैं. It's a very sus bar.
मेरी आंखें हुई dilate yeah इन्हें कपड़ों में लगे तू समुद्री खजाना और लौंडे पूरे पायरे बेबी मेरा स्टाइल चेक कर बर्किन क्रोकोडाइल चेक कर टिफनी ब्लू डाइल चेक कर सीन बनाने जैसे डायरेक्टर यू सो फाइन यू सो फिजिकली फिट डॉलर साइन cuz we lyrically lit बाकी लौंडे typically shit that boy on the track typically hit
बोलूं मेरा स्टाइल चेक कर करनी है बातें फिर
I mean, it is true.
भाई if flexing was an Olympic sport,
हाँ. बादशाह would win every
Basha
gold.
would get the gold medal.
नहीं मैं ये कह रहा था कि भूल गया मैं क्या कह रहा था. आएगा बात.
हिंदी मेरी भाषा है वैसे पैसा मेरा डायलेक्ट पर फ्लाई लगूं मैं ना पायलट पर नंबर है तेरा डोंट डायलेक्ट पर फोन रहता मेरा साइलेंट पर gotta keep it low key रखता वाइब्रेट पर keep it low key yeah you know me करूँ roll like a soul या फिर OG उसे प्यार चाहिए यार चाहिए दोस्ती no please चाहिए निकल रोल मुझे क्योंकि shake that bumper कमा तनखा how you doing feeling great just a sampa पीरा रमता shot no jumper I ain't calling even if I got your number keep it low key yeah you know me करूँ roll like a soul या फिर OG उसे प्यार चाहिए यार चाहिए दोस्ती no please चाहिए निकल रोल मुझे क्योंकि shake that bumper कमा तनखा how you doing feeling great just a sampa पीरा रमता shot no jumper I ain't calling even if I got your number बोलूं मेरा style check कर
Who's the producer? Who's the producer for this?
But this is a proper dance song. Like इसको सुन के you just
Proper
bring out the
मतलब
moves. Bring out the moves. और long drive पे this would bang. It is produced by Phenom.
Phenom. अच्छा
Yeah.
Phenom on the. Phenom ने बहुत प्रोड्यूस किया.
I think Hurricane Phenom. Says I don't know. I don't think Says is here.
Master.
फिर डायरेक्ट कर हिंदी मेरी भाषा है वैसे पैसा मेरा डायलेक्ट पर फ्लाई लगूं मैं ना पायलट पर नंबर है
amazing. It's a really
Bro, मजा आया मुझे.
मजा आया भाई. It's a मजेदार song. अच्छा गाना है. Lyrics तो वही flex वाली है.
But it still doesn't beat the initial Badshah and Krishna collab.
हाँ अब वो वही
Roll
अब-
Up.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मेरे को वही याद आया जो मैं
Roll
कहने
Up.
वाला था पहले कि बादशाह alone on a song is different and featuring बादशाह is different.
But तूने वो सुना है ना?
Roll Up.
Roll Up.
हाँ, Roll
Right.
Up, 100%.
Love it, bro.
So we are on track 10. I think this is the
Who
second
you
last
are.
track. इसके बाद एक ही बचा है.
This is the second last track.
हाँ.
Who you are.
Who you are. पूरे mixtape से मेरे को अभी तक ये just मिला है कि he is talking about his journey और कैसे अभी भी लोग उसके पीछे बात कर रहे हैं जो हमें नहीं पता है क्या हो रहा है.
And
scene
how
में.
he's bought the Rolly.
हाँ. Butterfly
Humor.
आने वाली है. तो yeah.
Butterfly.
Flex है पूरा. But ठीक है. We love this side of Krishna as well.
Yeah.
So we are on track 10. I think this is the
Who
second
you
last
are.
track. इसके बाद एक ही बचा है.
This is the second last track.
हाँ.
Who you are.
Who you are. आप कौन है? चलिए पता करते हैं.
Who you are. Like you question yourself. Who are you?
Introspecting because let's see.
Yeah. Dollar sign one time. Hey. Delhi से Bangalore.
मैं आया करने तापमान गरम बात मान तू नादान रे सावधान कलम लगा लो जाके आप जान तुम नाकाम नरम इनके साथ 8 जन्म चलूं 4-5 कदम में मैं हूँ थोड़ा सनकी जैसे ODB TBH में स्मोकिंग these rappers जैसे ये OCB GBH OTW2 तो OPD कमाई होती मोटी तो CA रोजी ले OTP जो भी कह रहे फैन होंगे वो भी मेरे स्टाइल इनका जन्म आजा बेटा गोदी मेरे इन्हें लगा मेरे जाने में अब थोड़ी देर है पर हम स्टिल ओवर है जैसे सर पे टोपी मेरे
Hey.
गर्दन आई सी जुलाई में इनकी गाड़ी का दाम मेरी कलाई पे खोलने जानी तू कान ताकि सुनाई दे मान जानी तू माइक पे खानदानी लुगाई है चाहे मिले मुझे फाइट मिले जंग नाम मेरा छाया इनकी हाइप पे के कम बोली लेट आया सॉरी आई शुड रन रोली शाइन करे ज्यादा मुझे टाइम दिखे कम Anywhere that we go to yeah जानते हैं हमें when we roll through yeah सुना शहर में भी तेरे they don't know you हाँ तो बोल तू है कौन I don't know who you are Anywhere that we go to yeah जानते हैं हमें when we roll through yeah सुना शहर में भी तेरे they don't know you हाँ तो बोल तू है कौन I don't know yeah
My young Londoner, I'm through a stick in the bush. Gotta be a real.
I think that is H. You know H? So basically he's a British rapper.
Alright.
तो he's
Someone like a Century.
हाँ funny you mention क्योंकि अभी उसकी beef है Simple C के साथ
सही में.
H की हाँ
Oh.
actually. So yeah.
So
this
he's
is-
at
this
that
is-
level with Century, like उस level
He's
पे
very
है.
good. बहुत अच्छा है and he's an OG in British rap scene.
Right, so that's another great international.
बहुत बड़ा
collaboration.
collab है ये actually. He did one 10 पे 10 with Frenchie the Kid के साथ. If you have
Okay, हाँ,
listened to
भाई
his
French.
famous-
I still follow that guy, French
Oh,
the
you do?
kid. Yeah.
So he उसके साथ करा था तो this is another British collab. So yeah, unexpected but let's see.
My young Londoner, I'm through a stick in the bush. Gotta be a real stepper trying to kick it with us. Every 365 I make a ticket or plus. Get your money up, stop wondering what whip that I push. What is a made busy GLS 600 bizens. Fill it up with ladies, so the ladies bring you frizzens. Numbers don't lie, Shelly only fuck with tisens. I can't see a hater through this Cartier Lizens. Dizzy with a Lizzie, free my brothers in the pizzens. Came a long way, I was bizagging up the bizens. M40 soldier, fuck a pussy boy and his ends. My bro, they bring them up and give you block a fucking quizzens. Chain different colour stones, Balamori with the watches, I got different colour homes. Two-tone white stainless, platinum all the rose. Had to let these rappers know that I'm back up on the throne.
Anywhere that we go to yeah जानते हैं हमें when we roll
I think last May he took shot at Central C. He said like haters, these people know I'm back up on the throne.
Okay.
At
Yeah,
one
like he
point
knows चल रहा
H
है.
was at the top, like in British rap scene.
Okay, this guy.
Yeah, H. He was.
So he was at the top.
He was at the top.
And what about your क्या नाम है उसका? The depressed guy. अरे यार, he's very famous bro. I love him actually.
Who?
भाई उसका नाम क्या है? That. He's another British rapper, Irish or British rapper.
Do you have
The guy who shouts a lot. He has that grumble.
RD? Who's that?
अरे
गाना
जो
सुना
बहुत
उसका?
डिप्रेस सा रहता है, गोरा सा है.
Depressed सा रहता है.
मतलब उसके गाने थोड़े से रहते हैं. Someday.
Not-
Hey Nate, how's life? Not much.
Oh, NF.
Yeah.
NF is American.
अच्छा, NF is American. Okay.
वो तो बहुत like he's gone up.
अलग level पे
mainstream
ना वो।
हट गया है वो, पहले बहुत था but हाँ. Yeah, that guy वो तो अलग ही बंदा है. उसके lyrics they will top notch. But yeah,
Bro, big collab. Big collaboration.
big collab. This is a big collab.
Maybe they don't know you, हाँ तो बोल तू है कौन, I don't know who you are. Anywhere that we go to, yeah. जानते हैं हमें when we roll through, yeah. सुना शहर में भी तेरे they don't know you, हाँ तो बोल तू है कौन, I don't know who you are.
Dollar sign. So there was no drill song in this mixtape.
हाँ,
कुछ भी
वही
drill.
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा aggressive song मेरे ख्याल से एक दो ही थे.
That first and the second song.
Yeah, and the one with Yash Raj, I think.
There wasn't. That was also good.
Yeah, it मतलब proper hardstyle नहीं था,
हम्म,
but
हम्म।
still it had that.
Because he's been
factor.
doing that from a while, तो
हाँ,
थोड़ा
I think
flex
so.
इस बार कम किया है.
वही,
He's talked about the past थोड़ा सा.
but ठीक है, इसमें like पूरे mixtape से मेरे को अभी तक ये just मिला है कि he is talking about his journey और कैसे अभी भी लोग उसके पीठ पीछे बात कर रहे हैं जो हमें नहीं पता है क्या हो रहा है.
And
scene
how
में.
he's bought the Rolly.
हाँ, बटरफ्लाई
Humor.
आने वाली है, तो yeah,
Butterfly.
flex है पूरा, but ठीक है, we love this side of Krishna as well.
Yeah. All right, we are at the final song of this mixtape.
The-
Goes by the name of Yours Truly.
Truly.
It's the title track. Now, I hope it's something like the Still Here intro,
हाँ.
like that.
Intro की जगह ये outro होगा, but still
हाँ.
we
थोड़ा
want
सा-
that.
We want that heat. Do you want some heat?
I do want some heat, and मैं जैसा देख पा रहा हूँ टाइम से, it is almost a 5-minute song. So it could be a storytelling song as well. Still Here में उसने करा था,
Makes sense. Makes sense.
तो हाँ. it's
that
a-
was Dream. Dream was the song.
हाँ,
Still Here.
yeah. So but still,
Let's see,
hopefully title tracks are always good. Hopefully ये deliver करे.
I have a lot of expectations.
Yes, yeah, same. Let's jump right straight into it. ये क्या रुलाने वाला है क्या ये?
You'll never leave me alone.
नहीं, you never leave me alone. Yes.
Something like that.
Dear Prospect, I hope this letter finds you well.
Hey.
कैसे हैं?
Hey, Stan.
Yeah, it's like he's writing a letter. Okay, not what we were expecting, but ठीक है.
Bro, but I want this side of Krishna.
घर
Yeah.
पे सब और कैसे हैं तेरे फ्रेंड्स? I know you're feeling grown, तू हुआ अभी 18 और नया नया तू अभी कॉलेज है जा रहा है. I know that feeling जो है अंदर तेरे, but you're insecure, emotions रखता अंदर तेरे. दुनिया का मजाक बनाता तू knock it sell. It's just to cover up the fact that you don't like yourself. मैं बस कहना चाहता तुझको it's okay bro. It's okay to feel things जो समझ ना पाए ये लोग. ये तेरे जिंदगी के best years. बनाएगा नए दोस्त and you'll have the best peers. So जाया मत कर टाइम अपना, no days off. और भूलना मत तू grind अपना, it pays off.
Hey.
अपनी तारीफ सुन के होता है तू खुश आजकल. Cause girls compliment you for your looks आजकल. और छोड़ दी तूने पढ़नी अपनी बुक्स आजकल. और ये सस्ती विस्की छुपा रही है दुख आजकल. I know I see that you were growing up, but trust me young prospect you don't know enough. तेरे सपने थोड़े अलग and I know it's tough. Stop dreaming about rap, तुझे बोले सब. मैं बोलना चाहता तुझको मत कर डाउट तू. You are good enough to do whatever you set out to. आगे जाके मिलेगी सेटबैक्स और कठिनाई, पर अपने आप को होने मत देना उन चीज़ों से डिफाइन. और हाँ गलतियाँ होंगी but you get better every time. Don't always need to hide and pretend that you were fine. तू अभी full of life and that's all you need to shine. मुझको दिखती तेरी आंखों में एक चमक when you smile. I envy you, so take care and stay strong. और याद रख मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, you'll never be on your own.
Bro, this will थोड़ा रुला के.
हाँ यार, like this is a bit senti थोड़ा हो रहा है. But हाँ, he's
But
talking
he's
to
talking
his
to-
younger self.
Like Prospect back in the day, like
Yeah,
सीधा
when he was
UK में जा
prospect,
रहा
when
है.
he was इसका stage name था ना prospect, young
Yeah.
prospect. So he's talking to
So he's
himself.
talking to his younger self,
Younger
like
self.
18, 19 year,
हाँ.
who's just started rapping
Exactly.
and he's not sure क्या होने वाला है आगे जाके.
हाँ.
And he's doubting himself, थोड़ा सा insecure है, and he's talking to him कि भाई करते रहे जो भी कर रहा है.
Right. हाँ. और अभी
Love it.
probably hook के बाद he will talk about his present and then maybe future, all three things covered.
That's a good assumption, bro. Let's see.
डियर कृष्णा, तेरे कैसे हैं हाल? मेरी पिछली चिट्ठी भेजे हो गए ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल.
That's good.
It's been a while. तू होने वाला अब 28. And I know this probably feels like it's the lowest point of your life. I sense तुझसे आ रही अब एक negative vibe, and you said depression often makes you think of suicide, but fuck that. ऐसी सोच नहीं थी तेरी कभी. I know it feels like बारी नहीं आती तेरी कभी. मैं बोलना चाहता तुझको hold on. हार मत तू, हिम्मत तेरा will हमेशा so strong.
I never knew Krishna ever felt silent.
Bro, I've had glimpses. Like I've caught some bars even in the past
मतलब
where
yeah, I thought कि लोग depression होता है obviously होगा, and एक ऐसा point आएगा when you feel lowest, but I never thought कि you will go as far as like I want to suicide.
bro, I've had some bars like there was this song with Hi-Rez, if you remember. Hi-Rez के साथ कुछ rap. So he started with the only thing suicidal about me will be my doors. So
Oh,
that bar is
right,
something
right.
which stays with
Got
me a
it.
lot. Now I'm not going to be there. So I had some clue he's been through a tough phase, and obviously bhai, he's gotten his flowers, like he's gotten the recognition very late.
Very.
So that like we can never think about वो phase जब you have all the potential at 25 and वो पूरा decade वो कैसे निकला होगा.
Exactly. नहीं, yeah, I can feel it. But yeah.
तो अब क्यों छोड़ना चाहता अपने सपने अधूरे? I know you've had your ups and downs, पर कर तू उनको जाके पूरे. तुझ पे प्रेशर कमाने का and music isn't working, और अब तू ढूंढ रहा दूसरी चीजें just to make an earning. I know तुझको लगता है embarrassing कि तू एक टाइम साइन था, now you're just about managing. I noticed तूने छोड़ दिया लोगों को बोलना you rap, क्योंकि तुझको लगता तू बस एक failure at that. Tell me brother, where's the confidence you had? कितने टाइम तू बैठा रहेगा just feeling so sad? Cause last time हमने बात करी तो तू था full of life, and now I don't even see it, that spark in your eyes. Let me tell you, आगे जाके चीजें बदलेंगी, और एक दिन ये लोग कदर करेंगे तेरे सपने की. इसलिए छोड़ मत तू गाने लिखना. Believe me, you're destined for bigger things in life, Krishna. आजकल I know you're feeling like this life is hell, but chill out.
भाई जब when he says Krishna by himself,
कुछ अलग फील आया.
feel होता है because he's never taken his name like
हाँ.
कि Krishna on the beat, bro.
Exactly.
और वो dollar sign वगैरह कुछ बोल देता
डॉलर
है.
साइन का तो उसका वो
So
है.
when he says Krishna, it feels like थोड़ा सा
I am getting goosebumps. Every line he's dropping, I'm getting goosebumps.
You should never be so hard on yourself. You should always treat yourself well. और बुरी चीज नहीं है when you're down to go and ask for some help. मैंने सोचा तुझको लिखूंगा ये चिट्ठी आज, और बोलूं बुझने मत दे तू ये हल्की मिट्टी आँच. तुझे जाना अभी दूर, so don't burn out, and trust me one day life will finally work out. I hope तू ढूंढे ताकत to carry on this time. Signing off, yours truly, $.
hey.
Forever yours.
Amazing.
Love
Last
it, bro.
song के लिए amazing.
थोड़ी सी like this is the most vulnerable side of Krishna
हाँ.
we've ever seen. Like कहाँ तक मैं थोड़ा सा देखा था आया
थोड़ा
मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक.
पर I think कहाँ से कहाँ तक थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा inspirational था वो.
it was still a song.
Exactly. This is
इसमें
to a
he's
letter.
not, it's not a song.
Like you
He's
sit
literally- हाँ.
और तुम लिख देते हो.
First part में I think he is talking to his younger self,
Exactly.
and then
हाँ,
second
that's-
part है जब he is like about to be 28 or
When
something.
Krishna when he
हाँ,
changed his name.
तो I think मैंने ऐसा assumption किया था कि future करेगा, but I think जो 18 साल वाला है वो 28 साल वाले से बात कर रहा है. I got that feeling because of his क्योंकि उसकी थोड़ी pitch low high हो गई थी.
Ooh, I didn't notice that.
I'm not sure, I can be wrong.
I thought maybe the 35-year-old Krishna is speaking to पहले
मेरे को भी
prospect
वही-
and then Krishna from 2025.
हाँ, लेकिन अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है
But
कि
what
switch
you
हो जाए.
said makes sense.
It
Who
I don't
done
know.
that?
It is still like
Rohan,
confirm
sir,
नहीं कर पाए.
Rohan Cariappa.
Union
Kaparia.
assistant.
Rohan Kaparia. सैंपल बहुत अच्छा है.
And when he said आखिरी में Krishna, yours truly signing off. It hit. It really hit.
Yeah, bro. Now the only sad part about this is पता नहीं
It's over. अब पता नहीं कब आएगा.
एक दो सिंगल दे दो यार.
अब features में दिखेगा बस.
But yeah, this is going to. It has some songs जो सुनने वाला हूँ.
100%. हाँ, मैं कुछ तो अपनी playlist में डालने वाला हूँ. Alright. So that was it. Yours truly album mixtape reaction.
Yours truly, bro. And it was for the people. It was for Awam.
Yeah.
Loved it. Mera personal favorite was the first song, Nothing to Prove. Had some bars, had some emotions. So I loved it. Which one were you?
Mera, I forgot the name. I think it was Hello.
Hello with the Japanese.
Raftaar. No, Raftaar.
Bus
हाँ.
it down.
So
Bust
मेरा
Down.
था रफ्तार के साथ Bust Down. I think it was Bust Down
Yeah.
with Raftaar. I don't know. थोड़ा
It had that.
it felt
It was
that,
very good.
Yeah, it was.
It had
was
that
very
mellow
good.
vibe.
No China मेरे को पहले as I mentioned मेरे को अच्छा लगा था तो same इसमें. And also like with Age, जब भी Age के साथ जाना था, it was
So you like that?
हाँ who you are with Age. It
So
was
if
really
I had to pick my top 3, it will start with Nothing to Prove. It will go till knock knock.
हाँ.
Because वो मैं बहुत सुनूंगा. ठीक है. And third I'll say यार ये Yours truly जो है. This is something जो मैं सुनने वाला हूँ because I love Krishna as a person more. Like मुझे अच्छा लगता है that journey.
Right.
That perseverance वाला. So
And I think it is एक वो song भी है when you are feeling low, you listen to it and
Yeah.
you gain that motivation. भाई ना I have to achieve.
similar भाई कहाँ तक वो something जो
मैं अभी भी सुनता हूँ कहाँ तक. When I feel like कि भाई I'm feeling down, I still listen to
देखे
कहाँ
थे
तक.
मैंने वो days थे great.
It is one of the best Krishna songs in my opinion.
So yeah, we are
But
also signing off. Yours truly,
We are
Reaction
signing
Slayers. Reaction Slayers, bro.
Yeah.
तो हमें एक नाम रखना था. We weren't able to figure out any name, and we went with Reaction Slayers.
It's very basic but it does the job. It actually वो बताता है कि भाई हम क्या करने वाले हैं.
Yeah, we are going to just slay.
the reaction. अब वो तो उसके जज आप लोग हो.
And
Do
slay
let
बढ़िया
it.
तभी होता है when things are raw.
Exactly. Authentic.
So that's about it. If you are still watching this video, I just want you to comment down what you felt about the reaction and the album and the mixtape rather.
Right.
ठीक है. So
What are your thoughts? What are your favorites? What have we missed? हमने क्या miss किया है?
that's about it. And if you want us to react to some other artist, some other
हाँ.
album which has recently dropped, comment down and we would love to do it. We do it as a hobby, but
we love hip hop. We love
love
Desi
hip hop. So सुन
yeah.
लेंगे साथ में सुन लेंगे मजा आएगा.
Right. So yeah, that's us signing off.